Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my office. It is the week between Christmas and New Year. I'm looking out my window here by my desk at a little bit of snow lightly falling, just a few snowflakes, nothing sticking to the ground, but still makes it feel wintry and fun. So I'm excited to share with you the January Joyful Jordan box that I have here today. So stay tuned for that and welcome to my office. Welcome back to my home. I'm so glad you're joining me today. I hope you've had a wonderful Christmas season and you're getting excited for the new year. If you're watching this on January 1st, then Happy New Year. As you know, I am a consultant with Jordan Essentials, and one of the fun options we have each month is an incentive called Green by 15. So I make that my goal every month, and that way I get to earn the next month's Joyful Jordan box for free, and I get it shipped to me early. And if you're not familiar, the Joyful Jordan box is a monthly surprise box from Jordan Essentials. Jordan Essentials is out of Nixa, Missouri. Everything is botanically based ingredients, healthy skincare options, things for your home, things for your family. And I've been with the company since 2004 and continue to love it. I still use all the products all around my home. My family uses them, and I love gifting them at this time of year too. So if you are part of my VIP group on Facebook, then you get to see this video early. So thank you to my VIPs. If you'd like to join my Facebook group and become a VIP, I have some fun incentives for you and things I like to share just to say thank you for your continued support of my Jordan Essentials business. One of the things I do is give you a sneak peek of the Joyful Jordan box. So for those of you who are my subscribers, this is your chance to get to see next month's Joyful Jordan box, get a peek at it early, and decide if you want to skip the next month or continue your subscription. And of course, when you subscribe, then you don't pay anything for shipping, and your box just gets charged to your card each month and ships out with no charge for shipping. So that's awesome. The box is $29, and it's always a $40 value on the box or more sometimes. So it's a really good deal. Plus, you get to try some new and exclusive products that are not in our regular catalog. The other thing I do for my VIP members is I do a monthly giveaway. So on the first Friday, I do a little drawing, and any of my VIPs are eligible to be in that drawing, just to say thanks again for supporting my business and for being a part of this fun community. Okay, so without further ado, let's take a look at this January Joyful Jordan box. And like I mentioned, this box is going to be available for the month of January, so you can get it anytime between the 1st and the 31st of January 2024. Kind of crazy to say that. This month, we are focusing in this little box of awesomeness on things to help renew our spirit and kind of reset our lives as we begin a new year. So the card that comes in the box, and each box will come with a card like this. It'll have an image or a quote or something on the front that kind of is just a decorative element. And then the back of the card is going to tell us about what is in the box. So that's great too, because if you're gifting the box, it kind of helps explain the products. Some of these are unique to our company, so people haven't really heard of them or don't know how to use them. And this little card that comes in the box helps to explain it all, and so they know right what to do. And these are great boxes to gift too. I actually have a customer who has an ongoing subscription, and each month she chooses a different person to send it to. So she just goes in and updates the address that it gets shipped to each month, and that way she gets to gift a new person with some awesome products to pamper themselves and maybe help support any ongoing issues and just treat them to something a little extra special and a nice little surprise. All right, so this box, the card says, renew your heart, mind, body, and soul. Embrace fresh possibilities. And we have lots of cozy, wintry things on the front. And then on the back, we have 3 items in the box this month. And I can tell you that these 2 are exclusive to the box. They're not in our regular catalog, so that's awesome. This is one item that is in our regular catalog, so you're getting a chance to try that as well. So this first item is our Renew Stick, and it says headache, tension, and the winter grind got you down. Anti-inflammatory peppermint, sweet basil, lavender, and frankincense essential oils in an on-the-go stick to the rescue. And how to use it, it says to apply it to temples, knees, hands, and feet to help ease stress, pain, and fatigue. So these are some of our sticks. We call them our magnesium sticks. And I'm not going to open this one because I actually have somebody in mind that I want to gift this to. So that's kind of the fun part about getting this box as well. Some of these items I'm going to use myself, and then things like this, which I already have one on hand for our family to use, I'm going to gift it to someone else. So what these are, I have an older one here. This is the one we're finishing up, and it's basically the same thing, that magnesium stick with the peppermint, basil, lavender, and frankincense. So if you've heard of our lotion bars, it's a beeswax-based product. So this is like a little combination between our magnesium lotion and our lotion bars. So this is going to be that beeswax base. So you can apply it, just rub it on your skin. You can see it's kind of that creamy formula. Beeswax melts at your body temperature. So the more you use it, it'll warm up and soften, and then it just starts to soak into your skin. You can smell I can smell that blend of those 4 essential oils. And because it has the added magnesium, then it's also going to help boost your body's magnesium. So this is great to apply to specific areas if you have issues. I also like keeping these in my purse because they travel well. It's something small and portable. It's not going to spill if the lid doesn't go on quite right. And the magnesium is going to help with twitches, aches, pains. If you have any rough patches that are just dry skin, you can use it like a cuticle stick and apply it there because of the beeswax. There's just a lot of ways these little sticks work well. So I like to keep at least one in my purse. I usually have one in my purse, one in my car, one in my desk, one in the kitchen drawer for everybody to use. So there we go. I can just rub that in, and that's a wonderful way to moisturize my skin. But I'm getting the added boost of the topical magnesium. And with topical magnesium, the other benefit you have is that your body doesn't have to digest it first to make use of it. It'll soak in. Anything you put on your skin soaks into your bloodstream within 26 seconds. So that magnesium, when you apply it, it's just going to soak right in, and it'll go to the tissues and the muscles where your body needs it, and your body will pull it to the spots that it needs it most. So I love having these around. This is a really cool gift to have. So like I mentioned, that's my open one, but this is the same thing, just in a updated packaging with that white tube and our new label. We kind of revamped some of our labels. Okay, so now let's move on to the Helio Dead Sea Salt. So in our catalog, we do have a couple of different products with this Helio blend and this Helio label. For instance, our household right now is using some of the Helio Shea Lotion. This was a special exclusive product that we had for a little while with the oatmeal milk and honey scent, but that's not normally on there. Normally it's a label just like that, and we love having the Helio around for those extra deep pain needs. So sometimes if I'm on my computer too much, my wrist starts to hurt, the Helio works great for that. If my husband's been on his feet a lot, it's great to do the Helio lotion on your feet or your knees and elbows, places like that. So this is not in our catalog. This is a Helio Dead Sea Salt Soak. So again, we have the added magnesium. So this is another way to get some topical magnesium. Plus we have the Helio blend, which is a helichrysum essential oil. And you can look up helichrysum. It has so many good benefits for us. And then we have the phytonutrient blend, which is the aloe vera, green tea, seaweed, and chamomile. So the little card says, let your mind, body, and spirit feel restored and renewed with a Helio Phyto Blend Dead Sea Salt Soak with magnesium. Soak in this nourishing blend of minerals, magnesium, and essential oils. And the ways you can use it, you can either do a half a bag in a bathtub for a 15-minute or more soak, or you can do 2 tablespoons in a hot water foot soak. So if you're like me, I usually don't have time to soak in the bath. If I do, it's like a really big treat and an extra special time to pamper myself. But I can usually do the foot soaks pretty easily, especially if my daughter wants to do one with me. Then we'll get our little foot soak tub set up in front of the couch. We'll put a couple towels down just in case there's some splashes, and then we get to watch one of our favorite shows together. So these are a really awesome little gift. You can either try to use it yourself or gift it to somebody, but it's going to be a really great way to try some of our Helio products in a new format. So again, we don't have this Helio Dead Sea Salt Soak in our catalog currently, and this is just a nice little trial size or a travel size too. If you're going on a trip and you want to take that with you, that would be fun. All right, next Next, let's look at the shower spray. Now, we have had the shower spray before, so I know already that I love it. It's not something that's currently in our catalog, but I stocked up the last time we had them, so I'm so glad to get one more because you can't reorder them right now except to get them in this January box. So it says, transform your shower into a home spa with fresh eucalyptus, peppermint, and lemon essential oils that open airways and enhance your breathing. In order to use this, you're going to spray it on shower walls or bathtub rim and let the aroma and steam create a calm and relaxing environment you won't want to leave. And this is so true. So these have an extra concentrated blend of those essential oils. So I always make sure to point that out to people. You're going to shake it up a little bit when you're getting ready to use it. And I have found in my smaller bathroom, 2 sprays is plenty. Sometimes I'll do 3. I like to do it sort of just in the air in the bathroom, because if I do it too close to my little single stall enclosed shower, then it's almost too much because it is a concentrated blend. But I love that because it doesn't take much and it just makes my bathroom and my shower experience get transformed into a really fun home spa experience. It's so great to do in the morning if you just need that extra boost to kind of help you wake up and get going. So again, this would be great to gift somebody or just try it out yourself, and you can't get it in our catalog, so it's a way to try something new and different that normally you couldn't order. So there we have it. That is everything that came in the January 2024 Joyful Jordan box. If you're a subscriber, then you'll be looking forward to getting this. If you want to subscribe and get a box for yourself on order, I'll have my special shopping link in the description box down below. And you can always try the box 1 month, and you don't have to subscribe if you just want to order it. See what you think of it, then you can do that as well. But of course, when you subscribe, then you save on shipping. So there is that added benefit. Thanks for joining me today. I hope that was fun for you to get to see this little sneak peek of the January Joyful Jordan box. I hope you have a wonderful, happy, healthy, and prosperous new year, and I will look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.